Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to go live and host party on Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next thing is to log into your Poppo Live account. So logging into your Poppo Live account, you just need to click at the live option here. So in order to have this live option work for you, you have to make sure you have completed your authentication and your face authentication, upload the live photo of yourself, and also reach wealth level 5. Having done that, you'll be able to go live on your Poppo Live. So the next thing you have to do on your Poppo Live now is to type in your title. So let's say let's drink. The next thing you're going to do is to select the type of live that you want. So clicking on make friends. The next thing you have to do is to click on the party option found below go live. Clicking on it, you can now select if you want to add a sticker or a feature. You just have to click on the feature option. If you want to add a feature, you want to add a beauty, any of this, you just have to select it here and add to your live option. So after doing that, you can now choose if you want to hold a party on a video or on audio. Then after choosing for this video, I'm going to leave it to be for video. The next thing you have to do is to click on hold a party. So if you click on hold a party, you're going to now on your live, you can now grab your seats and also allow your friends to grab your seats. Invite your friends to grab your seats for your party. So guys, that is it on how to go live and host a party on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.